Have you ever seen the message, "We are unable to process your request right now"? It's frustrating, especially when you're making a payment or logging in. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error simply means the system can't complete your request right now. It doesn't always mean something is broken. Most of the time, it's a temporary issue. Here are the most common reasons. Server overload. Too many users at the same time. Internet problems. Weak or unstable connection. Wrong input. Incorrect login or payment details. Outdated app or browser. Old versions can cause errors. Server maintenance. The system may be temporarily down. Now, let's fix it. Step 1. Check your internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Step 2. Refresh the page. Sometimes a simple reload works. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Go to your browser settings and clear data. Step 4. Restart your device. Fixes temporary glitches. Step 5. Update your app or browser. Always use the latest version. Step 6. Try another device or browser. Helps identify if the issue is device-specific. Step 7. Wait and try again. Most server issues fix themselves in a few minutes. If the problem continues for more than 24 hours, on multiple devices, during important transactions, contact customer support with details. To avoid this error in future, keep apps updated. Use stable internet. Avoid peak usage times. Enter correct information. Now you know exactly how to fix this error quickly. For a full detailed guide, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. If this helped you, like the video, comment your issue, subscribe for more tech fixes.